Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Thaneshwari Sahu, and my topic is gender sensitive issue and MSc Nursing first year student. Gender sensitive issue. Introduction. Some procedure operated by women sometimes fail because they have been designed to be operated by men. The importance of women participation, holistic approaches, and gender sensitivity in planning and design cannot be overstated. Then definition. Definition with three types: gender sensitivity and gender sensitivity. First one, gender. Gender is sexual identity, especially in relations to society or culture. And second, sensitivity, the quality of condition of being sensitive. And third, gender sensitivity, an approach that consider the presence of social, culture, economic, and political inequalities that may exist between man and woman. And first, the issue. A. Male and female communication style are often different and pose challenges to different gender nurse patient encounter. And B. Literature about female and male physician differences in practice pattern and attitude trivial differences. First, women more often work part-time in group in salaried positions. And second one, women physician tends to see fewer patients, spend more time per patient, and care for a great percentage of females and patient than do men physician. And third, woman physician makes less money and tend to be more satisfied with their income than men physician. Okay. And C. Gender disparities in clinical decision making and medical research have recently been reported. First, evidence that women complain of dizziness, headache, back pain, chest pain, fatigue are not evaluated and treating are aggressively as men. And similar complaint. And second, differences in treatment of serious illness such as coronary artery disease and renal disease. And second, the theory may first a men tend to have played in large group as children with winner and loser elaborated rules and clear hierarchy of power relationship. And b, women tend to grow up playing in a small group or peer. Okay. And b, because there are so many women in medicine today, patients now have choice about gender of physician. And first, female patients frequently report that they want physician who will listen to their story, understanding them, treat them in context of human personal relationship. And second, they want care that is more patient centered than doctor centered. And C, literature reveal that physicians spend an average of 18 seconds in clinical encounter होता है, जिसमें first in male physician female patient interaction and such interruption and frequently used to get such information more quickly so that physician can make therapeutic decision. And second, in females physician female patient encounter such interruptions often serves to so that one speaker understand and other not to be direct conversations. And third, an approach first, skill that facility communication में first understanding some potential differences is मेल फीमेल होता है and communication style भी help करता है, जिसमें reading books such as Deborah Tennessee just don't understand. And the office procedure. Office procedure are great patients and see में because reflective listener, इसमें first let patient tell her story uninterrupted होता है and second to try to understand her in her own context and third one involve patient decision making. Male nursing to address current nursing shortage, to demand for qualified nurses, the health care industry in hearing both male and female nurses. And perspective. हिस्टोरिकल परस्पेक्टिव में क्या होता है, इसमें कॉन्ट्रेटरी टू द परसेंटेज ऑफ सम पेड नर्सिंग हैज़ बीन exclusively male dominated field of most of human history. When the world first nursing school was opened in India in 250 BC, only men were considered pure enough to be nurses. and prejudice and discrimination. Today, while overt discrimination against male nurses is rare, many still feel they are not treated as equal.